A few weeks back, I attended a conference conducted by a NGO on sustainability. The thing which made me feel strange was, this conference was conducted in a big auditorium, with an AC, and all the participants who attended this conference came from different places, on car, and everyone carried expensive products like phones, electronic gadgets. The irony is they gathered here to discuss how to reduce carbon footprint and live a sustainable life. And listening to their speech, I thought I could show them what sustainable living really is. Here our story starts, in a village. These people work in farm, where they get paid by farm owners. Usually, they eat their food on a banana leaf. And later on they throw it into a large compost tank. By the end of the year, this waste will be turned into fertile manure. As wastage is the main problem when we talk about sustainability.
No pottery.
As you can see, he is using a plastic cover to keep the betel nut, tobacco and other things. He is sharpening the knife on a diamond stone. Now it's time to head towards the workplace. Every day they work on different tasks assigned by the farm owners. They will get a decent amount of money to lead their life.
We have seen an unpredictable highest rainfall in the last 2 years. It was not like this before. We are noticing a dramatic change in climate from last 2 years.
My final point is they don't have a mobile phone, car, or any other kind of electronic gadgets except an electricity connection to their home. Their carbon footprint is way lesser than you and me. Ultimately they don't know the word sustainability and still they are the highest contributors of maintaining a sustainable world.